How to cancel a Chowdeck order and get a refund. Step 1. Try to cancel before the vendor accepts your order. Open the Orders tab and find your order. Cancellation is only guaranteed if you cancel before the vendor accepts it. Once accepted, cancellation can no longer happen automatically. Step 2. Contact support immediately if the vendor has already accepted. If you miss that window, reach out to Chowdeck support team through in-app chat as quickly as possible. Cancellation isn't guaranteed at this stage, but Chowdeck states they will do their best to help. In most cases, they may be able to cancel manually or issue a partial refund depending on the situation. Step 3. Note that acceptance and preparation reduce your chances. The later you are, especially if the order has already been accepted or is being prepared by the vendor, the less likely a full cancellation or refund becomes. This is why speed matters the moment you realize you want to cancel. Step 4. For issues after delivery, use the specific refund categories. If your case isn't a straight cancellation, but something like a missing item, speed order, or a payment charge for an order you didn't place, contact support within the stated window. For missing items, that's within 3 hours with a photo of your order, since going past that removes your eligibility for a refund or redelivery. Step 5. Receive your refund into your Chowdeck wallet. Approved refund go into your Chowdeck wallet. From there, you can request a withdrawal to your bank account, but only for funds that came for a genuine order refund. Money from top-ups, referral bonuses, or promotions can't be withdrawn.